Hello everyone and welcome to this video. So in this video I want to quickly show all the Pi pioneers how you can actually secure your wallet from hackers and scammers and protect your wallet from being hacked. So there's been a lot of complaint from the Pi community and the pioneers that their wallet has been hacked. So some has even gone as far as accusing the core team that they're the ones are hacking their wallets and stealing their Pis, which is not actually true. So this has been a pressing complaint for the core team. So the core team has actually developed this two-factor authentication method to help pioneers secure their Pi. So how this two-factor authentication actually works is once you activate it on your Pi wallet, it means whenever you're trying to make any transaction on your Pi wallet, you need to authenticate the transaction. So you're going to be linking an email to your Pi wallet. So whenever you're making a transaction, Pi core team is going to send you a code to your email. Then you will use that code to authenticate the transaction to be able to complete the transaction. So that way it's going to minimize the level of scam and fraud that's been happening on the Pi network, because it will be difficult for a hacker to actually get your wallet access and also get your email access. So is it that they have just the wallet access and they won't have your email, or they have your email, they won't have your wallet? So for them to be able to get the two of them, it's actually difficult that way. So if you activate two-factor on your wallet, it's actually going to be difficult for scammers to actually hack your wallet. So I want to show you guys how you can actually activate this two-factor on your wallet. So to do this stuff, it's best to do it from your Pi browser. Like I'm actually using my Pi browser now. So this Pi browser is actually linked to my Pi account. So you can see it's linked to my Pi account. So that's actually the best browser to use for this stuff. So once you open your Pi browser, the next thing you need to do, you need to click on this home button that is at the top center of the Pi browser. So you click on that home button to load the URL bar. So once the URL bar loads, you need to go to pinet.website. So I'll be leaving this URL in the description of this video. I will also be displaying it in the front of the screen for everybody to see. But it's actually pinet.website. So here is the home page for PiNet. So once you open PiNet here now, you can see a lot of things that the Pi core team is actually developing. But the one we want to do for this video is actually the anti-scam. That's what we want to activate now. So you can see the anti-scam here. So I'll click on this anti-scam. So it's going to bring me to this page now. So right here, I need to turn on this button that is opposite this anti-scam. So I need to toggle it on. So by turning this button on, I'm going to turn my wallet into a semi-custodian wallet. So it means anytime I'm going to make a transaction, I need to authorize that transaction. So I just click on this button to turn on this button here. Then I'll need to verify. So I'll click on verify. So it brings us to this place now. So here we need to connect our wallet to the two-factor authentication. So we need to impute our 24-word seed phrase. So I've already copied mine. It's on my clipboard. I'm going to paste it here now. Please, I'm going to be blowing this side because I don't want anybody to see my passphrase. So I'll paste my passphrase here, and after that I'll now click on lock with passphrase. So it's going to get us to this place now. So here now is where we're going to impute the email that we want to actually link to this wallet. So I'm going to put in my email because it's my email I want. So you put in your email that you have access to that you use here. So I'll put in my email here. So I'll now click on, after that I'll now just click on verify email. So that is it, guys. I've actually activated two-factor authentication on this wallet now. So this means anytime I'm trying to make any transaction on this wallet now, I'll need to get a code from this email to be able to complete that transaction. So Pi core team is always going to be sending me a code to this my email I just linked right now to this wallet. So anytime I'm trying to make a transaction, I'll get this code and complete the transaction. So that is it for this video, guys. Please do not forget to like, share, and also subscribe to my channel for more videos like this from the core team and also the crypto community as a whole. Thank you very much for watching, and see you guys in the next video.